There's a variety of compelling reasons why you should attend the next ARC Industry Forum. The top 10 include, number 1, you can learn about new technologies, new business practices, as well as emerging standards. Number 2, you can see and discuss the latest product releases from leading suppliers. Number 3, you can hear how others are solving some of your most challenging problems. Number 4, you can discuss your issues and ideas with peers, suppliers, as well as with ARC analysts. Number 5, you can network with colleagues and develop valuable relationships with peer as well as with supplier executives. Number 6, you can expand your knowledge base by attending sessions from a variety of exciting and very insightful programs. Number 7, you can discover new ways to break down barriers, cultural, organizational, and contractual barriers. Number 8, you can collaborate with peers on shared problems like limited capital or aging of the workforce. Number 9, you can impress your boss as well as your colleagues with fresh new ideas to improve your own business performance. And number 10, you can inject your own project requirements into supplier product development roadmaps of the future. That's a short list of reasons why you should attend the ARC Industry Forum. We look forward to your participation. Thank you very much.